Athi iyamix no bathini bathi sekushawa amadethi uthola intwana okay and abafethu bapha dangerous wona okay wa enjoy leyo flavor ukuthi bathini mina dodwa futhi mina angisuka umuntu nokapaya so bathi itox nani whatsoever but then ukava ukuthi inhale more than you exhale, you understand? Shit when uthatha more that then I think uzoyifaka kuwe ingabi ne-effect. The moment nokudla lithi mawugawula like ukudla uwenzela for energy so nayo okapaya yokuyibhemba nayo somehow iba ne-effect. So I won't say ukuthi boys akunamuntu ube wayejele wabuya like sika celebrate ukuthi manje yana umuntu lona i-26 i-28 okay we-28 okay sharp siyakubona we-28 sibonise ke ukuthi wena u-28 bakho kukwenzile uyangithola but mina if mina ngizofocus esigena in 12 years time if angiphayizekanga ngizoba ne-matric certificate that shows ukuthi mina eyami role ngiyidlalile but ijele bafethu hayi that's not the way yabo that's not the way yabo so le ntwana lezi ba-inspired ngani into ezidom like utopsy. Okay, why am I saying that? But it's like you grew up in a cage, like we can say in the way it's a cage, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, sharp. Nama internal, nama external forces from go each and everyone not different, understand?
Yeah.
Why am I saying that? If behavior I am as a young man, it's gonna be from within, young child, I'm saying. It's gonna from within. So then they idolize easy days snacks. But one thing for sure, whatsoever you give them a movie, or going to Masoki or TV, I see reality. Now, when I like okay, Uday, I'm share example of one. The Phantom at the Blue Moon. So when it was over inspired, not in Leo Chai, and I want to feel like Phantom remote William. Same example. Which I never want to kill a can, understand? If you particularly what they charge. That's not the way to go, we understand.
Hola, thank you guys for joining us once again. It's our tuning session that mnyama ngaphandle bemkhophe ngenhliziyo bathi sesho mnyama bariki Galaxy Boy niyazi wafitha nakhamvanye vana khlamela hot ngitshela like vana khutmane ilamela hot isiringa ngento zasekasi lokuthi yenzakala ekasi lezintwana lezi lokuziterrorize umphakathi coaches osigama advice agree ngithola because na vele umuntu okhulele khona yikasi.
Somva.
Ngama-challenges lawo le ntwana ezithi izawafisa ukuthi yena ngawafisanga mara yena wakhetha ukuyenza into i-grand. Understand? Kusho ukuthi le ntwana ezizenzayo like zenza ngamasibomu. Awuna ukuthi that mina ngithola. Otherwise coach tela vele izinkhetho senyana bathi baqabe ngala.
Oh, angishaye introduction ne.
Yeah.
Asizibona ivoice yami man, yazi. So fever. Yeah. Okay, bafethu mina ngicama nguThuni ne and then intwana ekhulele ekhaya eFrutia South back in the days yabo. Yeah, okay. Intwana esuke yakeleza kuphi? Yakele primary school eShawela bafethu. Then from there ngena kuphi high school? High school eAlmond which is it was 6 years bafethu ngiyangithola. Because of nyana bekino butheva nyana umuntu uyabhayiziseka vele T10 yabo but hayi ezinonke vele ningazi ngobani ningazi ngola 4 yabo so okay thina inkanya lithi egama lika la 4 ngilithola kanjani esinye intwana vele ekhule idlala ibhola yabo so there was this player bedlalela iSundowns back in the days yabo so igama lakhe beku Anthony la 4 yabo so ucoach lo bekangidlalisa ibhola kuma junior ranks yabo wanginika legama leli because of leli lika la 4 because of this similar kuyigama lami elistray which is la 4 isibongo sadayimani yabo so bangibiza ngalo okay since kuba igama engiduma ngalo vele all over I understand yikho ngakusho for manje
mina ngicaba vele mina ngicaba ukuthi lila kala 4 liku idea cha
no asikama lami lelo like nickname like Anthony la 4 the guy from I think the guy is from Liberia ne and then chithi bedlalela in Jomo Cosmos from Jomo Cosmos super sport yakuma Melody Sundowns webha ukuthi lo actually we actually exposure yabo because of as we know bafethu ukuthi iSundowns is one of the biggest teams yabo. Yeah, so nami ngilibele ngidlala ngilibele ngikhulu yabo. So ucoach uSithunya, may his soul rest in peace bafethu. Yeah, wathi intwana hayi man yazi igama lakho ngibiza ngalo man elikathona emsebenzini yabo. Mina thatha leli intwana yami yabo uthola ispotlight. Yeah, bafethu that's how ngithole igama leli ka-La4.
Hayi ngelihlili ngoba
Yeah, for sure. Because of everyone yabo. Besides obvious abazali bami bafethu ngeke bangizele because igama lasestradini yabo. But yeah, 90% bafethu everywhere I go. La4 yabo. Yeah, and bafethu into yabona into ezomanda nickname ne ngokuthi nickname ungayithandi, but the moment najoyela now yeah, because of and kune mistake bafethu abanye abantu bathi kimi ubafo, you understand, like this Zulu guy hayi bafo yeah, I'm talking everybody will love us. Bafethu igama leli kanti nina it's La4 with a double F, you understand, LAFFOR, you understand. Yeah, it's a football name bafethu, it's a football name. Akusigama engilithole maybe ngokuclever like hayi yangithola amagama afana nabo bathi mnyama ngendlovu, you understand. Yeah,
But mina lona kamseshe lathola kuwe konje wathi seshe igama la seshe police.
Obvious intwana yami. Ngathi obvious mfethu like amanye name like bakunika according to maybe your appearance, your skin color, or reasons zakho yabo, or whatsoever uthandayo, understand. Yeah, obvious useshinani bafethu ngiyambona case ya Polish yabo. Yeah, injalo bafethu.
So shikuthi coach wena ukhule vele ulithanda ibhola like kusho ngodlala ibhola kukhuleni kwakho kahle kahle.
Yeah, mseshu like mina ukuthi dokhule vele athanda ibhola yabo. Okay, shoot manje ngikhula kwifamily ukuthi i-time yabo bekumuntu ukuthi back in the days makudlala like boma iDerby, understand, bekumuntu ukukhipha boma i-black and white lama-TV amancane yabo ayibeke ngaphandle like siplome sibukela ibhola yabo. So nami ngaba motivated ukuthi man njengoba manje time lami kumuntu othanda ukubukela ibhola keep that interesting yabo. So okay, nami I had to build up from kuye like ngibheke like ngathi nami that ngiyenze ngi-implement yabo ezintwana. So ngakhula vele ngaqala kuma-junior ranks yabo, from under 9, you understand. Yeah, under 9, under 11, 15 yabo. Okay, 15, 17. And then life happened. That's why I'm going to details of it. But life happened, yeah.
So kuze vele now ube ne-team yebhola ukuthi vele like you a football lover.
Friendship. Yeah, njengoba nami ngikona ukuvusa team. Like okay, njengoba ngisho bafethu life happened yabo. So nami ngasakhona ukuqhubeka, understand. Like ngiqhubeke nebhola lami ngidlale maybe first team kanjalo ngithole exposure. So ngathi yazi la ngiphelele khona ngcono ngenzeni igaba umsesho i-chance yabona amavula team. Okay, ngathi if mina ngihlulekile and then thingaya intwana i-chance maybe kuzoba na something yabo. But angisasho namanje futhi unfortunately life happened yabona.
Yeah, so coach ngicela unkaye bomba iringers yangithola iringers yakho kungaba anything maybe trouble ikasi into ungafisa vele uyi-change or behavior abantu like something eyenzakalayo ikasi. Ubone ngathi ayikho grand ukuthi ibe yenzakala khona kule kasi nyana lethu.
Okay, like mina ngisesho into engizoyisho ne first thing first, like uma youngsters yabo, because of now I'm still young but I won't consider myself young yabo, because of okay I've passed my early 20s, mid 20s yabo, nguma late 20, understand. Into engayisho ngintwana zasekasi ne or ikasi in general bafethu first thing first, ikasi alikho toxic. Umqondo womuntu toxic.
Okay,
why am I saying that bafethu? Like we grew up in a cage, like we can say in the way it's a cage, you understand. Okay, sharp zoba nama internal nama external forces from each and everyone not different, understand. Why am I saying that if behavior yami mina as a young man iqala kimi from within, yangithola msisho. Iqala from within. So lentwana lezi they idolize izinto ezisinacks bafethu. One thing for sure, whatsoever ubukele ema-movie oyibona kuma-soapy or ku-TV akusi-reality yabo. Ungabona wena like okay udayide ngakushela example ngobani uPhantom adubula umuntu uyangitho lo muntu uya-actor yabo. So when if uzoba inspired ngale leyo ukuthi hayi nami I wanna be like Phantom role model yami, sengisho example uthi hayi nami I wanna carry a gun, understand, ufuna ukuphatha igoni wara what bafethi hayi that's not the way to go, you understand. So mina into engayisho kuma youngsters yabo, one thing for sure that one must learn more young, i-talent yakho bafethi important izokuguide, you understand, izokuguide whatsoever ofuna ukuyenza in the right way, izokuguide yabo, izokukhipha ku-peer pressure yabo. For an example, if wena like umuntu othanda ibhola uyangithola, or umuntu othanda amagelezo, umuntu othanda like ukuba outdoors like u-enjoy yabo, I don't think ukuthi it will be easy for wena ukuthi ube influenced if ubona izinto ezisinaki zenziwa abanye abantu yabo. So la ekhaya sihlangana nani, sihlangana nama-issues whereby ukuthi siney'ntwana ezifoma ama-gangs, you understand, yeah, like i-attire uyangithola ukuthi okay mina mangigcoke i-attire bafethu. And by the way mina I've been there ngigqokile i-dickies yabo, yeah, ngigqokile i-dickies, ama-Kushlezi, ama-925 ukuthi manje angazi camera ngakhona ukuzuma like ngipobozile indlebe zoyi-2 yabo. I used to do those things, but mina deep down mina within mina bengayithathi le thing as ukuba clever yabo. It was just embrace in the attire for that time. So intwana zamanje they think ukuthi manje okay wearing i-dickies show amathanda kitchen like uzibona wena like ngathi uhlanganiphile yabona, isigela like labo mem abazali ikasi likhala ngawo yabo bafethu ngeke uye nowhere, you ain't going nowhere yabo, because of bafethu like mina like ngizoyibeka injalo bafethu without fear of favor yabo. Akuna muntu obe wayejele wabuya like seka-celebrate-wa ukuthi manje halo umuntu lona i-26 i-28 okay we-28 okay sharp siyakubona ku-28 sibonise-ke ukuthi wena ku-28 ukwenzeleni certificate soku-28 na uyangithola. But mina if mina ngizofocus esigela in 12 years time if angibhayizekanga ngizoba ne-matric certificate that shows ukuthi mina eyami role ngiyidlalile, but ijele bafethu hayi that's not the way yabo, that's not the way yabo. So le ntwana lezi ba-inspired ngani into ezidom like yabona i-attire like azimameli yabo, uzozithola usenkingeni one day for you. Angazi ukuthi ukhuluma nobani but uzozithola usenkingeni.
Ababhekeleli bazazi
ngikhumbula, yeah sure, yeah
ngoba umuntu uyazazi into ayenza uyayazi.
Yeah ngiphendula i-question yakho.
Like uyishekhe like azinandaba nge-future yazo
future, as much as i-future bafethu it's unknown, but i-future yakho bafethu you build up from now, you understand,
and
you build up from now, yeah. And if into moyifuna like you go for it, you understand, without fear of favor bafethu you go for it yabo. So ungabi inspired ngezinto ezidizzy ukuthi mina mina ngiyafasa, mina ngishaya iguni, mina ngiyenzani zakho ziyahamba uyangithola. Sekuzokuthi sibani makavele nyana ngegolf nyana ngepolo nyana ngiyangithola nge-M3 uthi esay azenzana le imfundo idea yabo. And sonke into emnandi like the universe, so uNkulunkulu usiphi chance bafethu. And one thing I need to mention also bafethu, singakhohlwa ukuthandaza bafethu.
Okay,
yeah singakhohlwa ukuthandaza bafethu. Prayer is power uyangithola, yeah pray bafethu for strength uyangithola ukuthi uNkulunkulu okay le role ongilethele yona la emhlabeni ngicela ukuyidlala ngendlela egrand yabo. Yeah
coach, no le ntona lezi leyo ukuthi ngithandaza utshela ukuthi hayi lento lengeke isigaye imali thina mseshu ngokuthi sothandaza thina singene siyophanda seshu uzintwana enabo ma-15 utshela ukuthi ngiyophanda uphanda kanjalo na-15 utshela uzobuya nefoni, understand into like into egcwele kahle ukuthi ifoni intwana ezinabo ma-14 uzikhanana la esitradeni okuyithengisa ifoni edurayo ubuzibuze le ntwana ithathaphi le foni. And then ngikubona kwami usho ukuthi zibisukaphi zinamangoja le ntwana coach, and ziphe mama pie utho ukuthi zithatha bokheli la zibathatha khona zibavalela kulelo room ziyophanda zibamba thina inkunzi zithathela amafoni ziyothengisa lamafoni ukuthi zikhona ukuthenga into yabo ama-flavor utshwala lawo ukuthi zikhona ukuphuza nalabo kheli angithola and isuka that idea. So coaching like awuna-advice nyana kulezo ntwana ezinabo ma-15 ezenza le nto le ezibhizi nabo kela and ezinye ziyamithisa ziyeka abantwana kunentwana ena-16 eshana nga-2 understand that idea. So like awuna-advice nyana for leyo ntwana le like uyitshela ukuthi like lento le peer pressure lento iyenzayo le one day yezofisana ne-reality gunman lesikwate naso no isobe singekho in 4 years to come isobe singekho lesa squad.
I think sesho uphendula question yakho ntwana ngibuyele emuva kancane yabo ngikhulume ngejele bafethu, understand? Ngikhulume ngejele I think few minutes ago yabo. Okay, to answer i-question yakho sesho intwana na 15 i-advice engayipha yona like first thing engizoyisho ukuthi manje easy come easy go. Uzoyithatha leyo phone yabo ma 1000 1.5 uyibhayisa ngathi any amount less futhi easy come easy go uyangithola. And bafethu into ongayisebenzelanga ispanisa careless, like to be quite honest yabo. So le ntwana lezi kwamele zicabe ukuthi emhlabeni like there's a thing called hard work uyangithola. Wonke umuntu bafethu nayo yona leyo phone usuke uyithathile loyo muntu usuke esipanele usuke kube nama sacrifices awayenzile ukuthi athole leyo phone yabo. So okay, if phone uzofika uyithatha uyibhayise like less and then you've got nothing to gain, should mind you are useless yabo. So okay, enye into offer 5 engayisho yabo mina okay amara mina 14 nyana bafethu yabo. Mina back in the day like when I was growing up njengomseshazi ukuthi intwana zano at the age of 15 like zishaya happy yabo. Mina ngikhule at the era whereby ukuthi i-offer 5 I mean bengazi ukuthi bhenyo amakhalati kuphela masebo majeki masebo majeki sesimo besithola wona amakhalati vele kuyiwo ukuthi manje right nje ukuthi okay vele isikhathi siyashintsha yabo ukuthi mina like izogcwala like ikasi nathi like abodaki sesiyalandelela right, and which is I won't say ukuthi wrong yabo anti iya mix or no bathi bathi date sexual matter uthola intwana okay if and abafethu yokapha dangerous wona okay wa enjoy leyo flavor ukuthi bathi minto wadwa futhi mina angisuka umuntu nokapha so bathi talks nani whatsoever, but then ucaza ukuthi inhale more than you exhale, you understand? Shit when uthatha more that language I think uzoyifaka kuwe ingabi ne effect the moment nokudla mawugawula like ukudla uwenzela for energy, so nayo okapha yokuyibhema nayo somehow iba ne effect. So I won't say ukuthi boys bekelana okapha for kanjani, but limitation yabo. And then into bafethu teenage pregnancy both genders like amachita nabokela yabo. Okay, teenage pregnancy, okay, my teenage pregnancy, okay, ngikhuluma ngabokela, but okay, nathi amachita mfethu if like you are still a teenage uzomithisa bafethu
ngizakeleza
ukulethu bheka struggle already netime babe naso ngawe or whosoever guardian leona babe ne struggle ngawe ukukhulisa, and then when at the age of 15 to 20 years ulethu umuntu emhlabeni kwamele uyosebenza awuna chance. And manje ayidingi lesekuvalela into ezibhaya uyangithola because of obvious umama encosi ufuna support yabo, uzofuna support when at the age of 15 kwamele wenze usacrifice in maybe scared, so uyacala manje uluspan yabo, which is perfect. It's not a good thing, it's not a good thing. Always perfect, you must think ahead. Ungayenza izinto for now ukuthi manje okay I'm doing this, okay it's fun. Or each and everything we use life in our consequences. In our consequences.
So minus seven. There's
uthatha amafoni abantu wenzani ifoni ngekukhulisela umntana uzoboshwa awuyosebenza baba. You reap what you sow life in.
Great.
Injani. Obvious amakhosi mfethu. By the way mina bafethu Kaizer Chiefs, love and peace forever yona.
Because so no kuna ngcine uloku uthanda riding yokudijia udlale like ngcine udj ngcine udj, so like yini ekenze ukuthi vele uqale nale career yokudijia nokuhost ama event like it's part of ama event organizers. But you're no longer hosting nowadays, you have to director event coach.
That's the indaba yokudijela le kwenye hotman ukuthi manje bafethu like siqale ngebhola, understand, because of currently manje umuntu ne-disc yabo. I think ukudijela bafethu is one of my thing engithunayo yabo. Ngiqale ukudijela I think it was around 2011 yabo ngihlangana nobani ngihlangana neHotman bathi uDibaba for sure Metro Vision yamazi uTsatsi yabo okay uTsatsi iHotman lokuthi bengidlala idisk nayo yabo but lona liphezulu nyana kimi like in terms of ama division you understand so okay ithe vele mangiqala ngena vele kwindaba zomusic yabo okay Hotman lathi ntwana nami njengoba ngidlala ibhola but nami ngiyashaya music ngiyashaya vele music ini yabo ngiyamixa kahle yabo okay sihlala party lo Dibaba okay ngaya first nga-attenda vele fika ngabona ukuthi Hotman man yazi uyazitshela lama plate lawa man yabo and by the time ke mina mangifunda ngisisponsor ama disc yangithola okay ngaringa naye vele uDibaba ngamthenga ngathi Hotman I wanna know this yabo hey okay athina thando nami if you wanna know this uzwakale kimi ngizokushayisa session yabo okay phela mangibuya skela ngiye kuye yabo angifundisa ukuthi okay inama deck kule mix yabo thatha iCD faka iCD ngapha ufaka ama earphone yabo wenze 1 2 3 4 5 yabo kushuta ngidemonstrate ukuthi ngenzeni yabo okay la ngilena ngoba ambition yakhula vele kimi yakhula and which is not under but I'm grateful ku Hotman uDibaba yabo yeah and then treatment yakhula right ngimi ngathina sengenzani okay ngasho ukuthi sengizimele yabo in terms of ukumix but amachito okay bengiphila nawo vele simisa sonke abokiwi Mphoza Tsiki Seshi yabo bafethu if kunala bengibalibele no bafethu angibala nonke ngenhliziyo understand manje okay fere senzani saqala vele ukuthi senzeni shama party nyana yazi itsana ngama house party yabo sizivale ezamachita kushawa inamba like emkhukhwini yabo stuthane yabo hayi man like leyo ngithola after that sasuka vele sibene emathaveni yabo singena kalathi singena kamusa yabo sikumele senzani zama ugronyane exposure ngithola and then mina bafethu ngathi ngajama nazi like we must go big yabo we must go big like ukuvana istrata yabona shebo ma street bash vele okay i-street bash qala vele attend yabo but bekumele sishaye into yethu ekasi yabo and then phela ila ngiqale khona bafethu kuthunani by event organizer ngivala ikasi ziwe yangithola and then into engrateful ngayo ngomphakathi wasezone 1 wonke amabash mina engawashaya uyangithola angikhumbuli ukuchitheka igazi respect that mina ngiyakhumbula ukuthi I think ngishaya ama event more than 10
maragazi
uyangithola futhi unit yabo okay umuntu vele ushaya ama event kube mnandi kasi bheshi wara konke yabo that's when bafithe ngicela ukuimpressa indaba yokuDJ by the way namanje bata
silent
yabona nami
ukasele biki stadium like stadium coach like always ukuthi kusele love stars ePitori like my kusuka ePitori ubhekene neSundowns or ukuthi umissionile vele ukuthi netime vele bokumuntu ukuthi vele ubhekene ukubhekela Facebook ukuthi waba coach yo always on stadium like msizintwana beyazibenzakalani ukuya kwami stadium like on a regular basis or makudlala like big matches understand it's all about uthando for ibhola yabo njengoba ngishilo nasekuqaleni ukuthi hayi ibhola time vele khona ukhipha iTV angithola sibukela ibhola ngaphandle sibhaya yabo nami ngadlala from kuma junior ranks kanjalo ngagcina sengiba ne team yami understand coach
excuse voice yami bafethu azine la ichizi bafethu ngithola so mina that thing yabo if something ngiyayithanda yabo istika kuyo yabo so mawungona maybe instead of chance ePitori yabo ngisuke ukubukela igame yabo lokumeet abantu like the more you go out you meet abantu aba different yabo like ezinye izinto ezigrand life uzithola along the way yabo because of if ngaba honest now i-Granger program they can help you or assist you more than umuntu okwazi you understand so nami mangiphuma nge-disking vibes yabo ukuhlangana nabantu yabo but lona ibhola anyway bafethu soon visa Arsenal Emirates United Kingdom Britain England whatsoever mara soon shay visa ya Orlando bafethu
so ifeni ngada iArsenal ngapha ikhosi for life
ngapha ngikhosi elomqino ngada Gunners of London Arsenal but nale thande elincane weSundowns.
Hey, because ngeskipa seSundowns ufuna ukuthi like kuleyo kubona ngeskipa seSundowns. Ngeskipa but leso sigqoka iSundowns bayidlala nePirates kuphela. Ngibuthisile la
because of that's why Pirates angifuni. Aningenzanga nothing wrong maphalane. Like into engiyenzile wrong just that anginalo uthando lePirates. Yabo ukuthi just met someone now before sizo record nomseshi uthi but wena you're wearing black. But when I favorite cheese, look all about wearing moving to get black or in a brand in me favor cheese, and I will never and ever in my life support Pirates. One, cheese very limited. Sundowns, I'm planning living favor. Just be my Casey. Or Stellenbosch. But if you look one see, that's one I
this can say to do let's be team says so die. Sezobafundisa labafana labaphizi basiterrorize ikazi.
Sezokhuluma into ezibhawa baphethe into ezibhawa ukuthi manje yabona nakhona yonke into yenzeke so fast yabo. And baphethe one thing for sure like grateful for the opportunity yabo umsesho ngiphe yona yabo. Uyazi na mina nginumber 1 fan yakho. Ukuthi manje ngeke kasho yabo.
I-first comment afuze
WhatsApp share Facebook yangithola mina nefan yabo but abafethu grateful for umsesho ukuthi anka le opportunity nami ngizokhona ukushare lokho okuncane enginako yabo. And one thing for sure ngiyakhohlwa abafethu support intwanami usesho lento ayenzayo abafethu yasekasi yabo. Into yasekasi abafethu like kumele ngifile inspired ukuthi umntwana ukhona ukuthatha ipicture ayibeke emoyeni yabo via whatsoever yenzeke kasi yabo. So like nimsupport bafethu nimsupport like ama video wakhe share subscribe la ku YouTube yazi bafethu umsesho siphethe bafethu bonga opportunity danko angithi la
ibhale lapho. That's where you get